doing a Hail Mary painting at sunrise tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. It's going to be freezing, and there might be clouds covering the entire sky, in which case I probably will just turn around. But if there is one of those miracle heaven on earth sunrises, God willing, it could happen on this magical spot. We're gonna paint. The thing is that winter is coming very soon, and the snow is predicted to come in the next couple days. So this is my last chance to get this scene in before winter. A beautiful valley has horses and cows and mountains and stretches on. And I just discovered it today, so we're really just going in on a whim. Let's see how this turns out. We have rolled straight out of bed and we are heading into the valley. Sky is looking, we can't quite tell at this point if it's gonna be good sunrise. Sunrises are always one of a kind, and you just never know when you're gonna get surprised by a really pretty one. I doubt they heard me. It doesn't quite look like something, does it?
All right, a couple pepperonis, canvas, some paints. Let's hope the wind behaves so I don't fly away with my kite. Always treat your canvases with care. She's gone country. Look at them boots, she's gone country. To the sunrise. A little bit windy. I think I haven't painted it before. Start painting somewhere. Shout out for Zoe for giving me the okay to paint in this field. You rock. Gotta move quick. Time to start painting. I wore the right pants today. I don't care if I get paint on these ones.
You're looking very cohesive.
We are just gonna lean into this magical sky for as long as we have it. Everybody ready? Lord, help me. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, the sky is insane. Wow, wow. I'm so glad we came. Like, this is so beautiful. And we had doubt the entire drive. We were doubting the entire drive that it would be beautiful, and look at this. God showed up. Painting with the cow pies, that's it. The moment's gone. Look at that. That was like, I wanna say 10, 15 minutes of pure splendor, pure sunrise splendor, and now it's gone. And we got it, Lizzie. Yeah. We got it! Woo! Good morning, cows and horses. Now we gotta safely get this over the fence to dry, because it actually is kind of freezing a little bit out here. Ooh. I had a color palette plan for whatever this series is, I don't even know. And I just ditched it all. And I said, nope, I'm gonna paint what I see. It's too beautiful to mess with. What am I gonna do? Mute it and make it all neutral? Never! God's the artist. I just hold the paintbrush. Quote by Victoria Rose Park. Wow, we beat the snow. And it actually wasn't that cold. I'm just starting to freeze now. That is a wrap. Caution everyone, we got cows on the loose. There's criminals at large, and then there's cattle at large.